Hello everybody! So, it's a Saturday and ganina nag-yoga ko and I feel so tired and kuan ba, I just want to have a break and play with my makeup since taon-taon ako wala naka really experiment and just have fun with my makeup. So, I decided to film this video featuring my Makeup 3 palette, and then maybe I'll just use some makeup products that Belmoda gave, like kani, She Loving It, She Cosmetics, and
I don't know if
there's eyeliner.
real.
Yes?
Did you see that scorpion tail? Mom?
Yes, I remember.
Maybe those transformers are real.
They're real. In Singapore, you'll see them. Banta next time.
How come they live there only?
Intermission number. So let's start. For foundation, I think I'm going to use Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation of Maybelline in the shade 128 because we went to the beach yesterday and medyo nag-tan ko. Sure! Okay. I think that's enough. Maybelline concealer in sand. I'm going to take this powder from Haley Organics. Yep, Belmoda gave this. Thank you again, Belmoda. Usually I use the powder katong Coty Airspun, but for the sake of this video, mag-try lang ako ni ang Haley Cosmetics powder. BB powder, I guess. One yung BB powder nila. Just get another one. This time I'm gonna use the brush and lightly dust. It's done. Done. Okay, what shall I do next? Kilay. So I'm going to use this Kilay Full Brows Brow Soap. There. Just let it do my... This time, let's move on to eyeshadow. If you want, barely there makeup, you just use 3 colors. Yep, done na ko ana. And I'll just get a smudge brush like this. Yes, and get the shade Lunar. And just apply it under the lash lines. Half lang. Half. And take the burnout color. And lastly, get dust. And gently dust it. You can stop there. Try na to. There. It's going to be very simple, barely there look, and then mag-curl na din ka siya sa imong lashes. And this time I'm going to use this brown liquid eyeliner from Nude Cosmetics. Let's try it. Make a very thin line. Just like that. So thin. Curl your lashes. O, diba? Fresh lang. Freshness. I think I'm gonna do bronzer sa. Bronzer with my bronzing brush. Angle perfectness. Grabe siya. Hindi maklaro sa kuan. Video, but in person, kaya kumata ng kasal. Diba? Yeah. I think hindi ako mag-falsies. Maybe later, let's see. Blush on. Blush. This is from Eyebrow Cosmetics. Ng Lip Drunk Blush in Mimosa. Try this blush on from MAC. It's Petal Power. Ako lang siya ibutang on top of the cream blush. I won't be using any highlighter anymore sa cheeks because this has a lot of shimmers. See? But I'm going to use highlight other parts of my face. Using this and a fluffy blending brush. Put na lang taoy. Let's add na lang. Yep. And actually, I think I'm done. Lipstick na lang. Oh, ang lipstick. I almost forgot this one. Let's try this from She Cosmetics in the shade. Wala yung shade. There's no shade. Tang na lang na ako ang shades. description box. There you go. If you want to add more drama sa inyong eyes, let's do that. Let's add a little bit of dark shadow. I'm scared. Gwapo na ganahan ng tako, pero sige, let's try. I'm going to add Factory na shade. Don't mess it up. Tumay lang, a little bit. And get a clean brush and just dust it off. Blend out the edges. And get the same smudge brush from kanina and get the shade Factory again. And just run it a little bit there. And let's add mascara sa bottom lashes. Eyes come alive. Let's add a bit more mascara. It's done. Just gonna fix my hair and then maybe add some falsies. Let's see if it's an effect. Diba? Just wear dangling earrings. Mara nag-asa pa dulong. Mag-asa na mag-date. There you go. There you go. Natural light.